they signed the book. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Oh, I love them. Oh, y'all. Okay, so like I think every book nerd just knows. Oh, every book nerd knows that when they get a copy of a signed book from the author themselves, this is huge. This right here is like gold mine for me. Welcome to my channel of Aya's Life, Aya's Way. Welcome, welcome. I wanted to celebrate today and give thanks to one of my biggest fans, my biggest friends, who I am blessed to have in my life. And these are my friends from Shield of Destiny. I got Merch Mogul, like 5 different packages sent to me. I wanted to share this surprise with you guys, and I wanted to capture this surprise as well. So I will say this. When I opened the package, I got a personal letter written from both of the authors of and founders of Shield of Destiny. One was from Charles Carpenter and the other one was from Cedar Jones. So I appreciate you guys so much. I would love to read what my mentor, and friend Cedar Jones wrote to me. So here's the magic. He said, "Keep believing in magic and the good of people. May your shield always protect you and your destiny always in reach." Thank you so much, Skeeter. Thank you so much, Charles. I really very much appreciate this. This means the world to me. All right, so let's let's do the thing, the shebang. Merch Mogul. Let's see what they got here. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. All right, I got a blue shirt. Thamro. Oh, I love the blue. It looks so cool. It looks really good on camera right now. I'm still gonna rock this. Thank you. This is sick. Sick. All right, here goes the second one. Ooh, okay. Yes, I can wear this. I can rock this. Oh, I'm so excited to wear this and rock this. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. All right, so that's package 1. Let's do package 2. I got a ghost. I got a ghost shirt. I got a ghost shirt. Ah. I'm so excited to wear this. Look how cool. Best things come in 3, and now we're gonna open the rest of the packages. Yes. Book 1, Quest for Elderstone. Ooh, I'm so excited to read this, you guys. Okay, so on his testing year outside the glass tower, Corwin du Surdin, I'm so butchering the name. The authors got really fancy. A young Auslan cadet from the north saves a slave girl named Villadriana from being tortured. Their destinies are now intertwined as Corwin finds himself unwittingly appointed to protect Villadriana, whose mystical powers can save the future of humankind. However, they must first take a long and dangerous journey in search of the enchanted Mount Elderstone. Okay. But like now I'm sold. Like I want to go on this adventure with them. So let's do this book club, man. La la la. Book 2, Tides of War. As the Caradon cycle approaches its 1,000-year peak and wreaks magical havoc, Lord Cartagus and his army grow more powerful as their search for the Pride continues. With the fate of humanity balancing on the completion of their quest, Corwin and his ragtag band of mavericks are locked in a battle for survival as they strive to see Villadriana safely to Mount Elderstone. Only time will tell if the world of Tarun will survive the tides of war. So this one's Storm of Shadows. humanity teeters on the edge of chaos as war looms imminent and natural disasters strike the world of Teru. Lord Cartagus and his merciless Hordes, knowing their time is running out, intensify their plot as they close in on the Pride. As Villadriana struggles to gain control of her growing powers, the blossoming emotions between she and Carwyn threaten to tear them apart. Only time will tell if hope will survive. Ooh, okay, so I know Charles and Ski-ter, the authors of this book and the founders of Shield of Destiny, they're gonna make a movie of this. I know they're gonna make an animation of this. So you guys hop on this trend because like this is the next Lord of the Rings. Maybe better. I'm so excited to get in and just start reading them. Thank you so much, Charles and Ski-ter. You guys just made my day. I just want to thank you so much. And to my listeners and to my fans, to my audience, this is not a paid advertisement. This is literally just me giving a shout out to my friends who I'm just blessed to have my journey intertwined with theirs. I feel blessed to know Ski-ter Jones and Charles Carpenter, like, and to get signed books. Now I'm just geeking out. So I'm excited to get started with these books. It's gonna take me a while, but I'm definitely going to share my favorite highlights of the book on TikTok. So I'm so excited. Get your copy today, you guys. You can also get your merchandise, which I've showed you earlier through the Merch Mogul. Please show support to my favorite two people. They are pretty awesome. So you can follow them on Instagram, a website as well. So that's the best way you guys can support them. And honestly, the best way to support me is get one of these books so we can have a book club. Thank you to the authors. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you all so much for the support and for the love of just always continuously giving me the gift of your presence. It means so much to me, and I very much appreciate all the love and all the support that you give me throughout all different platforms. And so if there's anything I can do for you, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to do that. And right now, I just want to say a big thank you to Shield of Destiny, a big thank you to Charles Carpenter and Ski-ter Jones for, I want to say for sponsoring, but pretty much they sponsored this video, but it was more of me just giving them a shout out because they were just such wonderful people to send me their stuff. And we've been talking about their books for a while. They've been talking about the Merch Mogul. They've been talking about, you know, just family and just like life in general, the acting, the film industry. And so just to be in the presence of such beautiful and artistic and creative minds, I feel so blessed. And I just want to say thank you so much to Charles and Ski-ter. Again, I know I'm saying thank you a lot, but this is the theme of today is a Thankful Thursday. So thank you. I wish you all the best. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for always being here with me, for your presence. I wish you guys the best because you deserve the best. Until next time. Keep believing, gosh, my English. The only 20 years of America, you know? Scratch that. All right. Like, this thingy, what is this called? I'm about to butcher this. I think this is, why do I forget the thing right now? Why? Maybe I can find it here. No, I can't find the hint. You guys, please help me. What is this thing called? I swear, it's in the tip of my tongue and I just can't say it. So great, now I'm embarrassing myself. But now you know we're friends for life because we're enemies for life. Anyway, don't be jealous because I'll be wearing this too. Thank you so much, Ski-ter and Charles. they are pretty much voluntold to be my friend at this point, so they're stuck with me. But I very much appreciate this. Maybe they'll help me tell me what this is. Why? I don't remember why I can't. I just don't understand why I can't remember this. I'm so mad at myself right now, and we're just gonna move on.